page 9, letter F, an operator who employs a minor or a driver without the requisite license to drive a tricycle. Pwede po ba, Madam Sponsor, Mr. Chair, pwede po ba yung penalty na 3,000 kung minor ang nagmamaneho? Pwede po ba, Mr. Chair, taasan natin ito? At least 10,000 pesos. Kasi, Mr. Chair, marami po tayo nakikitang tricycle, minamaneho ng minor eh.
Kasi agree na tayo na hindi kasama sa penalty ng driving without license yung impoundment ng vehicle. Yusek Llamas.
Your Honor, please, because the tricycles, they were issued public convenience, Your Honor. These tricycles were used for hire for public use. So there is unlike the private vehicles, in this case there is a greater responsibility for the operators. That's why we have to be strict on the operation of these tricycles. So if they found out that a public transport being driven by not a qualified or not having a license, that's why that measure is being imposed temporarily. That's maybe the honor that could be the word could be used, temporarily impounded pending payment of any fees, Your Honor.
So ang ibig nyo sabihin dito, nahuli yung tricycle driver without license, dinala sa munisipyo, kasama na yung tricycle. Hindi ba yun naman ang normally na nangyayari? Pag hinuli ng kwan, dinadala yung tao dun sa kasama na yung tricycle. Ang problema nun is, kung meron ka mag-anak na licensed driver at gusto nang iuwi yung tricycle, o kaya yung operator gusto niyang iuwi, hindi ba pwede yung ganun? Kasi kung sinasabi po ninyo na ang impoundment ay temporary, how long is temporary?
Maybe, Your Honor, until such time na mabayaran yung kung ano man po yung penalty na dapat bayaran niya ng operator.
LTO, what is the penalty ng driving without license? Di ba kinukulong?
Under JAO 2014-001, Mr. Chair, it's 3,000. And in addition to that, Mr. Chair, suspension na makakuha ng driver's license for a period of 1 year. Wala po under JAO, Mr. Chair.
So mali yung mga pulis na kinukulong nila. Kasi yun naman ang nangyayari dun sa ground ikinukulong ng mga pulis.
Yes, Mr. Chair, under JAO. But under 4136, Mr. Chair, Section 56, driving a motor vehicle without first securing a driver's license, a fine of 300 pesos should be imposed. Under letter M of Section 56, Mr. Chair, for violation of any provision of this act or regulation, sorry, Mr. Chair, letter M, in the event an offender cannot pay any fine imposed pursuant to the provision of this act, he shall be made to undergo subsidiary imprisonment as provided for in the revised penal code.
So, any objection from the stakeholders dito? Hindi naman kayo nagsasalita, dinidepensa ko kayo
Mr. Chair, talagang may problema ho dyan Gaya na matagal na namin na pag-usapan yan nung last, talagang yun po kasing naging problema, kalimitan sa tricycle, Mr. Chair, yung nagmamaneho, walang lisensya at mga bata. Yun ho yung isa. Kasi yan ho yung isang pinag-uusapan namin last technical working group kung paano masasawata ito.
Higpitan natin. Tama siguro si Yusek Llamas na impound yung sasakyan.
Para sa akin ho, siguro pwede basta tubusin na ng nagpagamit ng sasakyan niya. Kasi dapat hindi niya palabasin ng walang lisensya Yun po dapat talaga. Kaya lang, yun nga, medyo harsh po doon sa operator, pero kung gusto nating tumino at walang umarbor, para hindi na po sila magpagamit sa mga walang lisensya. Maski ng mga anak nila o mga kapatid nila, Mr. Chair.
From the other stakeholders, would you have an objection to that? So pwedeng i-impound. Payag kayo. Say your piece now dahil makakasama sa batas to.
Mr. Chair, kung ang violation po ay driving without license, yes, tama, i-apprehend siya. And may corresponding penalty. And kung may kasama siya, sir, na driver at i-authorize niya na yun na yung magmaneho, I think maganda, sir, i-adapt yun na payagan siyang imaneho ng relative niya. Or kung wala naman, sir, licensed driver na available, tama lang, Mr. Chair, na ma-impound yung tricycle kasi unauthorized siya to drive vehicle. Then, upon payment of the penalty, i-release, Mr. Chair, yung tricycle. At least, fair enough yun, Mr. Chair. With respect to the author of this bill, Mr. Chair.
Yung mga stakeholders, payag kayo na ma-impound?
Mr. Chair, na hindi kayo talaga pwedeng magmaneho kung wala kang lisensya. That's it, Mr. Chair. So, kami po, okay po sa amin yun. That's the law. Yun po yung dapat natin gawin.
Okay. Kasi Section 13 of the proposed law is that tricycles shall not be impounded, confiscated, or destroyed for mere violation of traffic rules and regulations, in which case a traffic violation ticket shall be issued to the erring driver. Under that section, a tricycle may be impounded under the following circumstances. When used to perpetrate a crime, there's no problem with that. If it operates without an MTOP or with an expired MTOP, no problem with that. If it operates under a fictitious MTOP, yung problema is letter D. If operated by a driver without the required driver's license, i-impound yung tricycle. So you agree with that also?
For me, Your Honor, yes. Para matuto yung mga operator at saka may-ari ng motor talaga ng tricycle na wag nilang pabiyahin. Kasi talagang kailangan din po namin i-correct dahil yung iba.
Mr. Chair, if I may,
Yes.
with respect to sponsor, pwede ilagay po natin yung valid driver's license kasi hindi po lahat ng may lisensya valid
Valid.
magmaneho ng tricycle. May restriction, yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you. We accept.
Mr. Chair, dito po sa page 9, letter F, an operator who employs a minor or a driver without the requisite license to drive a tricycle. Pwede po ba, Madam Sponsor, pwede po ba yung penalty na 3,000 kung minor ang nagmamaneho? Pwede po ba, Mr. Chair, taasan natin ito? At least 10,000 pesos. Kasi, Mr. Chair, marami po tayo nagkikitang tricycle. Minamaneho ng minor eh. Masyadong delikado po yon, Mr. Chair, para sa bata at para sa ibang pwedeng ma-involve sa accident, Mr. Chair. If I may suggest, Mr. Chair, with the approval of the sponsor, I think maganda po siguro nito, 10,000 or more.
We have to qualify it kasi yung premise dito is an operator who employs a minor or a driver without requisite license. I-separate natin for the minor, kung in-employ ng operator, mas mataas. Okay. Any objection from the stakeholders?
Your Honor, okay na po yun. Pero meron pa hong isa, yung kaninang sinasabi po ng ating resource person din na
Teka. Okay na ba yung ibang stakeholders doon sa pag-minor, ang pinag-drive, yung operator magbabayad ng mas mahal?
tama,
Okay sa inyo?
tama yun.
Okay.